Hello friends, I'm Chi. Yeah, how you all doing, Okay, today I'll be talking about the 6 months requesta per asilo, traveling out with it out of Italy. Yeah, good news, right? Okay, if you're here for the first time, why don't you subscribe? Because here get informations like this to keep you updated and informed, because information is power, like you know. Thank you to my subscribers. You guys are wonderful and great. Remember to share as usual to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook. Thank you. Yes, the minister Luciana and Conte. Yeah, Giuseppe Conte, that guy who is, cozy, is not always stable, always changing his mind, thoughts, and at any point in time. Yes, they have looked into the migrant issue. They are like, okay, they want to make better laws that will favor the migrants, to make it more liberal, free for them to, even migrate to other European countries. If they have the 6 months requesta per asilo, wow, that's great. So now they have looked into it. They are saying, okay, if this permit can allow them to stay here in Italy, move around, do things, work with it, okay, why don't we equally make it more freer for them to even use it to travel to other European countries, only God knows what they can do with it there, So they are saying that, okay, after the election in this month, they will, look into it and make a proposal to the European Union for the Dublin law. Yeah, that law, so that it could amend that part. Remember that every law is subject to change, abolished, or amended, so they could also amend it, to say how they can amend it, put some new features to allow people with 6 months requesta per asilo to travel, maybe to go for some holiday or whatever, to visit or whatever, but I don't think they can work with it. Only God knows what kind of amendment they'll bring in. So they are trying to they'll by then she said they'll be convincing other European Union about this thing, so that could make some changes into it. Okay, maybe the law could also be restricting only those that don't have the requesta per asilo from traveling, but maybe those with it, they are saying that can now travel with it. So now it's still a proposal thing, a thought thing. So this is what will be coming up the coming months after September, after the election, but I wonder, she that is making this proposal, if she will still remain there after the election. Imagine that another party wins, will she remain there? That is what I don't even know. So all these promises are too much, having in mind that they have other Salvini laws to look into, the Decreto Sicurezza thing. They have to change most of his laws, but they have not even done these things. Salvini laws still remain powerful in some places. In fact, most places in Italy, the law is still powerful. I don't know, it's like they are scared of even changing a bit of his laws, Yeah. So you see, even the sanatoria thing, I was thinking when they're talking about sanatoria, maybe I thought they would say all of you have not renewed your document because you don't have a work contract, and just go and get a new permit. Just go to Questora and they'll give you back your permit back. But rather they brought in strict things, make it more harder even for people, telling them they have to pay tax. Even after getting the document, they have to be paying tax every 3 months. I think 300 euro thereabout, and the rest 150 thereabout. This is like enslavement, man, the sanatoria thing is just like more or less like a trap, It's not that free like you think. It's a free document. It's not that free. Nothing is free here. I don't see anything free here. You can also tell me your suggestion in the comment section, okay, what you think about all these things happening, because what I see here is that for every law they bring on, like this 6 months requesta per asilo for people to travel out with it to other European countries, you discover that there will be more strict laws in it also, more rules that could even make people fall into their trap, because no matter how you look at it, there's a trap behind it. For them to propose a law, there's a motive behind it, just like you have seen in the sanatoria. There are always motives. They will not bring everything out until they have allowed many people to fall into it, okay? So now, having that in mind, you see, it's taking them many years to even change the Salvini law. It's taking them a hell of time. Talking about this one they are trying to bring up, this is Dublin law, very powerful. You can imagine, do you think other member countries in the European Union would like to, allow this thing to be cancelled? For me, I see it like a difficult task, because those other countries will be looking at it like, okay, if we allow this thing to happen, it means that a bunch of the migrants in Italy will be heading to their countries and maybe even seeking asylum or even committing crimes and the rest of them. So those other countries may not want it to happen. So I think it's likely to be suppressed or killed before arrival, dead before arrival, For me, basically, I would just say all of these things don't matter, don't count to migrants. What is 6 months request of traveling out to do? The person is thinking about having a real document. All I'm just thinking is that just solve the problem by just allowing people to renew their documents without any work contract. I think that's the best you can give to migrants, and they'll be happy. Let it just be as it used to be before. That's what migrants will want, not all the things they are doing. If you don't make that one, saying people can renew without having a work contract, then the rest you are doing is still like you're suffering them. You know, why don't you cancel it? You know, Salvini brought it in. Why don't you just cancel that one? You know, the job is not even there. Even the citizens are not even working. You know, they don't even have jobs. Talk more of the migrants who are coming in by the day. Where would they find this job? Where would they find this job? Even most of the jobs are just like 6 months contract, 3 months contract, 8 months, 1 year. You are working and you are scared. Will my contract be renewed? Most people are into prayer. Some using jazz to see if they could jazz their couple to give them more contracts, and it's not even working. You know, the migrants are in stress, you know, depression. This is making a lot go crazy. That's why you see most of the migrants are angry people, angry, you know, because of that thing, that renewing documents with a working contract. You know, it's not good. You see, again, I realize is that all of these are politics playing everywhere. Politics, you know, migrants are just what they now play politics with. Look at Salvini. For him to win election, he has to be bringing up the issue of migrants this, migrants that. You know, look what they are doing, look at the crimes they are committing, and this is it. All right, I remain yours truly, Chi. You know, you can join my channel membership. You see the join button over there, just click it and select any of the options there, you know, just to support Chi. You know, if you love what I'm doing, you know, just support your boy, okay? All right, you can just show me love, okay, just by liking this video and share to your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, so that they'll know what's up, the news making headlines by the day, okay? And remember to subscribe. It's very important to subscribe, okay, because here you get informations like this that you hardly hear elsewhere. Yeah, because I bring strange things, you know, to your doorstep in your house, okay? All right, if you're not getting notification, just do one thing, you know, click the all button there. After you click the bell, the all button there, click it so that notifications will be hitting your phone hard, okay? So as soon as I drop any video, you'll be the first to know, okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Chi is here by sharing, okay? All right, one love to you all, okay? Remember to stay out of trouble, okay? One love, ciao.